Hello there and welcome to another episode of Ask the Italian Lawyer, presented by ItalianRealEstateLawyers.com as well as ItalianCitizenshipassistance.com. Of course, we are back at it again with Italian attorney Marco Permunian, and I am Rafael Di Furia. And today, we wanted to ask Marco about what are the responsibilities of the landlord and the tenant when renting an apartment in Italy.
Generally speaking, the landlord is responsible for major repair works, like, for example, if you have to install or repair the boiler, that is the responsibility of the landlord, whereas the annual inspection of the boiler itself, which is mandatory by law, is the responsibility of the tenant. When it comes to furniture inside the apartment, if the apartment, of course, was furnished, then whatever goes beyond the normal wear and tear is the responsibility of the tenant. On the other hand, whatever is not beyond the normal wear and tear is the responsibility of the tenant. So, for example, if you destroyed the couch because you accidentally used a knife to open a package and now the couch needs to be replaced, then it's the responsibility of the tenant. But if the couch was simply ruined due to normal wear and tear, then it's the responsibility of the landlord to change it. Or, if repair works are necessary, that as well is the responsibility of the landlord. When it comes to common charges, the common charges that are related to the cleaning of the common areas are the responsibility of the tenant. If there are common charges that are related to major repair works, like the elevator, for example, needed to be replaced, or the annual inspection of the elevator, that is the responsibility of the landlord. But the cost of the electricity to use the elevator daily, then that is the responsibility of the tenant, and the condominium manager, if we're talking about a condominium, will charge the tenant for such use.
Well, Marco, thank you so much for shedding light on this topic, as per usual. And of course, if you're interested in more about this, be sure that you visit the Italian Real Estate Podcast that you can find on YouTube or your favorite podcasting app. And as always, we've been here with Italian attorney Marco Permunian from ItalianRealEstateLawyers.com, as well as ItalianCitizenshipassistance.com. I'm Rafael Di Furia. Stay safe and healthy out there, and we'll see you for the next episode of Ask the Italian Lawyer. Later.
Thank you.